There you go, folks. There's my morning walk. Look, I'm cut. This is the punishment I get. Look in here, look. Well, I get out. There's a big crowd. Look at that. I've been in there for an hour. I've walked 5 miles. What a day for fencing. That's been the treadmill this morning, by the way, folks. But more importantly, I'm up here at these stables and they say before you start, Wally, you're in there for an hour. And I've been kidnapped for an hour with these stable lasses, so I have. They have kidnapped me for an hour, in there for an hour as punishment for no smiling enough. Anyway, never mind that. I'll give you an update on this fence up here. With all these horses, by the way. Look at this. This is what they want, a single clad. It's for the doggy woolly woof in there, right? I'm going to lay up at the bottom for the water to go through this as a flooded area. We've tied it in with the deck to the best of our ability. We've capped it off. We're showing all this down here, right? But more importantly, my legs is killing me. They're actually killing me. I'll challenge Eddie to come up here for an hour, because you see in there, see in she stoke that thing at the thing, does the light shove you the mark? That's you trapped. Eh? But anyway, give me your points of view and this and that. And there you go, and we did a wee gate here. That's a real gate. A real gate. This gate here, no disrespect to it. It wasn't a WSH because it didn't have the tag on it. That gate's now got a tag on it. Sunday morning. And by the way, I hope all the walkers made it yesterday. I hope they did. Russell Baxter, you better make sure you're heel teamed in the full 44 miles, and I hope you raised plenty of cash for the minibus. Okay folks, that's me. I'm not going to torment you anymore today. Cheerio!